Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Friday, April 3rd. Currently seeing just some partly cloudy skies up there with some upper level cirrus. We are going to be seeing clouds increase towards the late morning hours and then becoming overcast by the mid to late afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, still have that low that gave us those rainy, windy conditions several days ago hanging out off of New England, and it has deepened and expanded a bit. You can see this pressure gradient across the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to help to give us another day of some blustery northwesterly winds with gusts similar to what we saw yesterday. I believe the top wind gust yesterday was around 39 miles per hour, so we can't expect that to happen again today. We're going to have this shortwave rotate around the low, and that's going to help to increase our cloudiness as we go towards the afternoon into this evening. Can't rule out a slight chance of a sprinkle this evening into the overnight hours, but not looking terribly likely. The biggest story will be just the increase in winds that we will see late this morning and throughout the afternoon. Taking a look at our satellite loop here, just seeing some thin cirrus start to move into northern portions of the Delmarva. We'll continue to see this cirrus increase as well as seeing some mid-level cloudiness once we get towards the afternoon hours. As of 8 a.m., seeing a scattered cloud deck at 25,000 feet. Winds are from azimuth 300 at 13 knots, gusting to 22 knots with a temperature of 50 degrees. For today, we are going to be seeing a high near 59 degrees with those northwesterly winds. Seeing those northwesterly winds gusting to around 35 knots or so late this morning into the afternoon. Then they'll slowly weaken once we get that cloud cover established across the area, becoming 8 to 13 knots and gusty overnight before they shift northerly in the late evening hours, and then seeing them become northerly around 8 to 13 knots and gusty by mid-morning Saturday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we are going to be seeing those clouds increase, like I had said, becoming few at 5, broken at 15, broken at 25 by noon, and then seeing it become slowly overcast after that with broken at 5,000, overcast at 8,500 by the mid to late afternoon, and then seeing overcast cloudiness between 2 and 3,000 feet overnight, possibly as low as around 1,000 feet, especially if we get into any drizzle out there in the overnight hours, and then just seeing overcast cloud deck around 2,000 feet by mid-morning tomorrow. Still seeing some high tides along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning at 1.5 foot above normal. For tomorrow, it's going to be cloudy throughout the day and cool, high of 54, but those winds should be finally over with. On Saturday night, going to be seeing a mostly cloudy to partly clear with a cool low of 40, and then Sunday looking at a partly to mostly cloudy day with a seasonable high of 60 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. Have a great day.